Hi, it's Justine, and I'm going to show you some tricks to perfect your everyday hair. If you have too much curl in your hair, or you notice you curl your hair and it looks a little bit too prom-like, I just use the GHD Platinum Iron to run the iron over the curls in large sections. And this just edges it up a little bit and gives it more of a cool girl wave and less of that curl. And then you also want to have straight ends when you do waves, just for a more edgy finish. Okay, so now that I've relaxed my waves, I'm just going to spray a toothbrush with hairspray to tame any flyaways. So you just want to use a toothbrush that has flat edges and bristles instead of the ones that have bristles that move up and down. And this just helps to comb down any frizz, so that if you have a little frizz halo like me, you can get rid of it without losing volume. And then the last hack I'm gonna show you is filling in the part and hairline with an eyeshadow. And you do this just so the hair looks fuller in photos and that it gives you more dimension in your hair. It makes it look a little bit thicker. And those are my 3 easy everyday hair hacks.